Okay, question 10. The real numbers a, b, c, and d satisfy both 0 less than a plus b less than c plus d, and 0 less than a plus c less than b plus d. Which of the following inequalities must be true? So either a is less than d, b is less than c, or a plus b plus c plus d is greater than 0. Okay, so again, it's a must be true question, right? So if you think it's true, then you've got to give a proof. If you think it's false, then you just generate one counterexample, then you're done, right? It's much easier to prove that it's false, actually. But let's have a look. So a less than d, what do we think? Does that look true or does that look false? So I think that is quite true, right? Okay, so I'm going to give you a proof. So first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the two inequalities. Okay, so let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. I'm going to add them up. 1 plus 2, then what do I get? 2a plus b plus c less than b plus c plus 2d. Okay, then someone might ask, okay, how on earth did you randomly come up with this idea, right? Okay, I came up with this idea because you want to cancel the b's and c's because they're irrelevant, right? They're irrelevant, so you want to cancel them. So you add them up, and then then they are the same on both sides. Then you can cancel, right? That was the idea. So then that cancels, so 2a less than 2d, so a is less than d, right? So 1 is correct. Good, how about 2? b is less than c. All right, so normally if I can't figure out if something is true or false, I would try some examples first, right? So I mean, say for option 1, if you didn't know that it was true at the start, then you could just try some examples, and you realize that, okay, it seems very hard to find a counterexample, so why don't I try to prove it, right? That's the strategy. Okay, so b less than c, let's make something up. Well, I could simply choose b is 0 and c is also 0, right? Then a is less than d, that's absolutely fine. So 2, not true, right? By b equals 0, c equals 0. Yeah, pretty trivial. Okay, how about 3? 3 is also quite easy to see, right? Because here you have a plus b is a positive number, c plus d is also a positive number, right? Okay, so positive plus positive must still be positive, right? So option 3 is all good, all right? I mean, option 3 is obvious enough that I don't think you have to try examples. Yeah, you straight off know that it's true, then you just give a proof. Okay, so 1 and 3, what option is that? Let's see, 1 and 3 is option F. There we go.